My 3 secret tips for your small takeaway and pickup restaurant business. Number one, you need to learn how to manage the time. You have to give the food in less than 3 minutes when the guests are picking. You have to make sure you have proper intervals between the second guest coming, as due to the COVID there should be enough, not more than 10 people depending on your size of the restaurant. You have to make sure there's 2 meter rule distance also between them, or it can be a big problem for your restaurant business. Number two, the golden tip for the any restaurant business, you have to make sure the music is fast music. What what fast music? Yes, fast music, what it does, people are like moving in a speed, so it makes sure the people are like moving actively. You have to put a high beat music instead of like a slow old classic song. No, 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 it's a big no for the evening. You have to make sure the music is tuck, 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 tuck. I'm not a bad music guy. Then, last but not least, make sure your menu is small. This is high time right now. You cannot have more than 8 items. Make sure your menu is short and sweet. Don't play with too many items or your food would be wasted. People are really interested in eating fresh food compared to your putting the menu again and again, again and again. It will lead to a big problem for your guest and for your restaurant business. What you can do, once in a week you can do a special menu where you create new items for your guest and they can book it in advance. You just need to ask them, can you guys please call us? That will be more than enough. Guys, thanks a lot for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and guys, don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks a lot.